Hello students, so today we are going to begin with the next topic of your grammar, and the topic's name is sentence and types of sentences. So today we are going to learn different type of sentences. Friends, before we move ahead with different type of sentences, we must know what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words and it gives a complete thought. Means what? When you arrange different words systematically, you get the meaning of the sentence, right? But see here, blue sky is the words are just arranged in different order and it is not in a proper order, hence we don't understand the meaning of the sentence. But when we write the sky is blue, we understand the meaning of the sentence. You understand the thought of the sentence, right? It means the sky color is blue. Again, a sentence also tells you what is subject and verb combination. It gives you the subject and verb combination. How? For example, put the book here. Now when I tell someone that put the book here, it means you put the book here. So you here is a subject and verb is put. Action word, right? So action word is verb. Again, sentence also gives you the meaning of the sentence. So sentence either tells you a statement, either asks you a question, it gives you a command, or it is an exclamation. So let's see what are those types of sentences. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So let's begin with the first type of sentence, which is declarative sentences. What are these type of sentences? These type of sentences gives you some information. It tells you about something. A dog is man's best friend. The sentence is telling you the idea. It gives you the information that a dog is man's best friend. It is a complete sentence. The sandwich is very tasty. Again, it is telling you something. It is giving you a statement. She is a beautiful girl. She is a confident girl. He is a good player. He is a good athlete. These all the sentences declare some meaning, some information to you, and these sentences always end with a full stop. Let's begin with the next type of sentence, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are very easy. It means these sentences always end with question mark. So it is very clear that these are all the questions asked. Whatever question you ask, how are you? What are you doing? Will you complete this? Who are you? Where is my book? How are you? How old are you? Will you be my friend? All these sentences end with a question mark, and so you can easily identify this type of sentence. Next type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences gives command or asks for a request. Giving command means telling someone to do some work. For example, teacher telling you to do a homework, or asking for a request like please can you move ahead, please can you complete this work. And these sentences always end with exclamation mark or with the full stop. So either it will be ending with exclamatory mark or full stop. Put the key in the drawer. So it is an order given. Wait for me! Exclamation mark. Please leave your footwear outside. This is a request, right? So these all type of sentences were imperative. Next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences again are very simple to identify. They express strong emotions or feelings. Like when you get hurt or you get a surprise. When you get hurt, what do you say? Ouch! Exclamation mark. You see something very beautiful and you say wow! Exclamation mark. That is a huge fish! Exclamation mark. All the sentences end with an exclamatory mark. What a beautiful day! Such a beautiful weather! All the sentences end with the exclamation mark. He is such a nice boy. He is such a good player. Such a wonderful scenery. All these sentences end with exclamation mark, and so these are exclamatory sentences. So I hope everyone has understood the 4 different type of sentences. So what is a sentence? Once again we will try to revise. What is a sentence? It is a group of words. It gives complete thought complete meaning, it ends with a full stop. It gives you subject and a verb combination. Subject and verb combination means who is doing the work and what work he is doing. Jumping, running, singing, right? It Then there are different type of sentences. Declarative sentences, they tell you some information. Dog is my best friend, cat is your pet. Interrogative sentence, asking question, when are you going to school? When will you complete your homework? What are you doing? Third, imperative sentence, giving some order or asking for a request. The fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence, and it expresses strong emotion or sudden feeling like wow, ouch, and always ends with exclamation mark. So what are the four different type of sentences? First, declarative sentence means it tells you the complete statement. It gives you some information. My school's name is Afak English School. This is a declarative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. It asks you a question and it always ends with a question mark. Third, imperative sentence. It either gives you a command to do some work or asks for a request. For example, please will you pass my book, or go and stand over there. Imperative sentence either ends with exclamation mark or ends with a full stop. Exclamatory sentence. This is the last type of sentence. Exclamatory sentence, it always ends with the exclamation mark, or it includes exclamation mark in its sentence. So student, I hope you all have understood four different type of sentences.